What is 15% of 9.8? Again, what is my unknown? I'm going to mark this by letter N. Is equal 15% of stands for multiplication, and I have 9.8. Because N is by itself, I can perform multiplication. 15% times 9.8. So I'm going to have 15% times 9.8 times 8 times 5 is 40. Write 0 and carry 4. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4 is 12. 9 times 5 is 45. Write 5 and carry 4. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 4 is 13. Add them up and I have 0, 7, 4, 1. Because I have one decimal place, right, I'm going to move my decimal point once to the left. Okay, and remember we have percents. So the answer for my multiplication is 147%. Now, the problem is asking me what. What means I have to find the decimal number, okay? So I have to use this formula which says decimal number is equal percent number over 100%. That's why I'm going to have n equals 147% over 100%. Remember, percent and percent will cancel out. Anytime we do not have decimal point, just make it visible. Okay, it's always at the end of the number. And anytime you divide by 100, you have to move the decimal point twice to left. So that's why I'm going to move 1, 2, twice to left. And my final answer is equal 1.47. So n is equal 1.47.